Okay, in this lesson we're going to be talking about polynomial functions and their graphs. And the essential question today is I can identify and describe the important features of the graph of a polynomial function. Now the first question I have for you is what is a local maximum as well as, local maximum and minimum as well as intervals of increasing or decreasing. So we want to figure out those things. Well, when we look at functions, they can have things that I like to call them their hills and valleys. They're going up and down, these polynomials. They're places where they reach a minimum or a maximum value. These locations, these min and maxes, are called a function's local maximum and local minimum. In between the minimum and maximum, things are happening. There are periods between these things of increase, and there are periods of decrease when the function is going down and when the function is going up. So let's try to identify those things on this graph right below here. This is just a polynomial. It looks like it's a fourth degree. And we need to identify some minimums and maximums, local mins and maxes, and some intervals of increase and decrease. Well, if you look at these two yellow dots, these are at top of a hill. And those would be kind of a localized max point. So these are local maximums. And if you look at this blue point down here at the bottom, this is at the bottom of a valley. And you could consider that to be a local minimum. So those are what the maximums and minimums are. But how do you figure out the intervals of decrease and increase? Well, this is what I like to do. I like to go to one of my maximum minimums. I draw a vertical line straight through it, just like this. It's a vertical line. Any of the maximum mins, just draw a vertical line straight through. And here's the key thing. Between these maximum minimums is either increasing or decreasing. So let's look at this first interval here on the left side. What's going on from here to here? What's going on from here to here? Well, it's increasing. So it's going up. And what's going on from here to here? Between these two? Well, it's going down. So it's decreasing. That's an interval of decrease. What about this one? From here to here? What's going on in there? Well, again, it's going up again, so it's increasing. And finally, over here, for on forever and ever, what's happening to this polynomial? Well, it looks like it's going down again. So that's an interval of decrease.